Hi everybody, so today I am going to show you a new page that you can use to create pages, online pages. It doesn't matter for why or for what would you like to use your web, an online web. You can use it, for example, if you can teach English and you like to have your own web page, you can create. So I am going to show you on the page that we are going to use. You can look it on Google. The name is Weebly. 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 So the good thing of this page is that this is a free page and you don't have to pay. Doesn't You have to pay in the case that would you like to publish your page at the time that you are edit, you can use normally, but if you pay, you are going to have more options. Also, you can go in to the Weebly page with your Facebook account, with your Gmail account, or with your Google account. In this case, I use my Google account. So you can put all the information that we like to use, videos, pictures, information, documents. People can comment, people can talk each others too. So first one I would like to show you just the name, Weebly.